Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you again. I am going to show you what we bought today for $8,000. Okay, so let's get into it. Everything is very, very expensive, and I just want to do a little bit of a haul. I bought bread. This is hard dough bread. It's very soft. These are nice for breakfast. I make very good sandwiches, nice little egg sandwiches. So I bought one of the. I bought this. This is called Baller's chips. And I think this is the same chips that I'm used to when I was younger. In my childhood days, I used to get these chips that was like leaves you with a purple mouth and almost like a purple tongue. So I saw these in the store, so I decided to buy these. So purple chips and half a dozen eggs. I don't know about you guys. Do they sell eggs half a dozen like this where you're from? Please comment below, because I was able to buy 6 eggs like this. I guess it's a 12 that they just cut in half, and I was able to buy 6. I don't think I need any more than 6 eggs. I bought half a dozen. And then these red hot chips. I bought 2 packs of these. I'm gonna have to put the price when I'm done so you guys can see. What else did I buy? I bought a pack of cane sugar. Do you guys use a lot of sugar where you are? Oh, that nice breeze, eh? Oh, this is a nice breeze. It looks like it's gonna rain, so it's perfect day to do this video. So I bought pure Jamaican cane sugar. This is good when you're making your tea. It makes the tea taste like some old-fashioned mint tea. That's when I'm making my mint, right? So this. I bought some brown rice. I like brown rice, especially my brown rice with rice and beans. It's really, really good. So I bought some rice and just sell it like this. I bought 2 plantains. These plantains are good for breakfast when you're having your egg. I need to eat with your hard dough bread and some eggs. Okay. I bought a pack of cock soup because I think I'm gonna make some soup tomorrow. I bought a pack of cock soup. I also bought this domino cookies just for a snack. Sometimes you sit down and you want something sweet, so I bought this one. I've never had this one before, even though I've had similar, but Domino's. Okay. And then I bought this very small bottle of tomato ketchup. I bought some more onions. We use onions a lot in this house because we season chicken, we season meat with it. I bought 2 packs of flour. Now, guys, what I realize is when I make dumplings, why does the dumpling look so brown versus when I use the flour in Canada? The dumplings mainly are white, but then I don't know, when you make dumplings with this, the dumpling tend to have like a beigey color. So okay, maybe there's more to it than that. Oh, maybe we take up all the nice little nutriment from the flour before we sell it. I brought 2 cans of condensed milk. I want to try and make some cornmeal porridge, so I bought some to make cornmeal porridge, and of course I like my coffee with condensed milk to sweeten it. So I bought 2 of those. Now I don't know why I bought corned beef, but I just figure I'm gonna be here for a little bit, so if I wanted some corned beef and rice, and I could cook it super easy. But yeah, I was in the store thinking, why did I bother buying corned beef? But that's the plan. Oh, hi, sir. I left you. It's Kitty. Hey, I left you. Hi. Hi. I left you some treat in your room. Okay. So I bought some honey bun cupcakes here. I just wanted for maybe something to snack on, and I bought it. I don't know if this is the one from my childhood days as well, but I bought that. I bought a small can of tomato sauce because, not that I'm going to be, oh, I wanted to make some pizza. I do have some dough and I wanted to make like a pizza in the week, so I bought that. I bought a slice of cheese. You see the price for the cheese? Woo, child. Yeah, I bought a slice of cheese. I like to have a piece of cheese with a piece of butter, so I did that. I also bought a vegetable oil as well, and I find that we tend to use a lot of oil in here, so I think we have to kind of maybe not be so heavy on the oil. And I haven't seen any olive oil down here, so I'm gonna have to check for that. I did buy a piece of saltfish. See the price again for this little piece. And this I'm going to make some. I like saltfish and dumpling. I bought a can of Pepsi again. I don't know why I keep buying Pepsi, but I bought another can of Pepsi. And I bought some seasoning. This is garlic powder. And I bought spicy to the bone seasoning as well. I was told that this seasons up meat nicely.
And so when you cook all the callaloo, you just put some inside.
Which one?
The garlic.
The garlic? And the garlic powder, we're going to put it on some callaloo. I heard it tastes good on callaloo, so that's the plan for that. And I bought some more cornmeal. So I want to make some cornmeal porridge. Plus we also make dog food with this. So I'm going to show you how we make dog food with the cornmeal. And I'm going to put a link to the video that we did a couple days ago making French fried chicken neck. So I bought some more chicken neck to make some more of those. And I bought some mackerel. And I'm going to make some, I like mackerel and dumpling and banana, so I'm going to make that. I did buy a pack of peppermint tea because I like to have some peppermint tea at night because it helps me to sleep. And yes, I picked up a pack of that. And that's basically my grocery haul that I just paid $8,000 for. So that's basically it, my friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. You'll see me in the next video.